Hey team, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. I just thought I'll stop by and say hello, 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 and hello. Happy Friday, guys. I just wanted to chat with you guys in regards to our news tab, guys. Have you checked the news tab, guys? Check your news tab daily. Hey, check your news tab daily. It's so much going on in the news tab. Scentsy said they're going to be dropping at least 70 LTOs this year. I know when I walk away and I look and I'm like, oh my God, something else is dropping. Oh my God, something else is dropping. So that is so exciting. So you want to check your news tab, guys. We got the Life's a Garden Wax and Warmer collection that's dropping. We have the Pour the Pig, and we have the Itsy Bitsy Buddies. The Itsy Bitsy Buddies are dropping. So I'm so excited about all the things that Scentsy is dropping. Hello to everybody who's watching. Just wanted to stop by and say hello, guys. I love you all so much, and keep up the great work, you guys. Hey, hey, mama. You guys are definitely on your way. Hey. You're definitely on your way to earning that that incentive. You guys are doing so good with, getting your orders in, getting your recruits in, getting your new team members in. And, you guys are so close to earning the incentive. Guys are on a great track. You're doing well. You're doing great. And I'm just here to cheer you guys on. So go team, go team, go team, go. Go team, go team, go team, go. So I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. I just wanted to stop by really quick and just cheer you on and let you know that I'm here for you. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. I'm here to help you every step of the way. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day, guys. Love you all so much. Keep up the great work. You're amazing.